We wanted to start to speak about our sandals. Yeah, Bar, you want to say what is the sandals?
Called shoresh. It
Yeah.
means in Hebrew roots. Roots, like shoresh, it means the roots of Israel. That's what it is.
I knew that.
And these sandals that's really familiar with Israeli.
Every
It's an
Israeli
Israeli
has,
company, and every Israeli has those sandals because it's really good for trips like water and I don't know to travel and really good sandals. We are not getting percentages or something.
We're not getting. We swear, we swear.
but it's an Israeli icon.
Yeah, it is.
So that's we want you to be familiar. So if you see Israeli people with those like
If you see people with
those sandals,
they're
they've been in Israel or they are
Period.
Israel. It's like
Period.
yeah.
Bar met a new friend. Hello, Kenny.
Kenny.
Hello. She doesn't like camera.
No, she hates cameras.
Just for you to know, we saw all your comments first about the camera, and we are going to do that. We have stand, but sometimes it's difficult to carry it everywhere. But now Bar will on the camera. And
It's really hard for me.
I know. And second, we read your comments about it, that all of you, you're afraid about us, about what we spoke about last video, about the suggestion we got
Okay.
with the video clip. So just for you to know, we really
We know
How
what
can I
we are
say
doing.
that?
Yeah, you need to count on us. You know.
we are not just like that. We'll go to be on a video clip without knowing the person. We know the situation in Jamaica and all the danger in Jamaica and all those things. Hello.
She's my friend. You want to go to there? You have to.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Ayele,
What?
this is your future.
Oh, really now?
So
This is our future.
Chanel is ready. Okay, so we wanted to tell you about our song, what's going on here. So, first of all, we got the song, as we told you, we wanted to change a lot of things in the song. We didn't like it, really. And we told him what we want to change, and it takes so long for those who knows how is it to be with Jamaican
producers.
producers.
Maybe
Yeah,
not
it's
only
like,
producers. It's like
yeah, it's like everything is so
people.
slow and it's
We
so
need to learn the principle of patience and slow
Wow.
down. You know.
It took him a long time to send us the song, and now we have a lot of things to change that we want to change, and he didn't send it yet. And
So we met last night.
yeah, last night we met a producer that we know from Portland. We met him 2.5 years ago, and he made for us a song for fun.
It was like really funny collaboration. We want to sing the song also. We want
Yeah,
that you
yeah.
will be familiar. It was a reggae song, and
We don't really like much reggae, but it's cool.
he said that it's really beautiful. He thought that we will come with crappy idea, but then he was really surprised. And back then we didn't really was with confident maybe about ourselves and. You are helping me. Um, confident about ourselves or what we want or we. It's
Yeah.
just it was a yellow dream of, like forever to be a singer. Me, I'm writer, so I did a lot of stuff. I wrote a lot of songs before when I was young in a book, and for me to be part of this with the Yelet together and make something on our own, it's really thrilling. But back then we didn't think like I didn't think that it's part of my plan, and he told us that
I
we are
didn't think
really
either.
good.
It was really scary for me, but back then it was more like fun. So we took it really serious. Like we saw him at the studio and we told him, just you're doing that.
Yeah.
That's it. And we just,
She wanted cover, Beyonce's cover. or something like that.
yeah.
And
then he said to me, no,
no,
you're
I'm not
doing
I'm not doing
cover.
covers.
If you want, you should both of you just write a song and then we can do melody and everything, and then we'll record. So in one day we just like did everything and we recorded. It was really nice.
Yeah, it was a really
All
good
the-
experience. We liked it, and he
Yeah.
liked us. And then he
That's
told
what
us.
opened the door for us.
Yeah, I think in my mind, and it's was digger, digger
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
mind, and then I understood that we have an opportunity here in in Jamaica, so that's why we came back
Yeah, we
here.
felt it like on the street. Even we felt the attention, and it was
Everything.
really. We really like everything, like the culture, and we really like the music. So that's what we did here.
So we met him last night, and he told us things that he think about the mixing and about the song. He told us a lot of stuff actually, and I agreed with him.
Yeah, he told us what to
100%.
do,
Yeah.
how to do that, and everything. What to record, re-record, because he has like a good ear for this.
We really appreciate what he did.
Yeah, yeah. We're really like he's one of the producers we met here, and it's like he's serious, and you can see that, and it's really nice to work with people like that.
Yeah, like professional.
Yeah.
This is the word.
So we spoke with him about album, make an album with him in the future. Like, what is this in the future? We want to release now the song, like when it will be ready to re-record. If we need one more producer to
The song that we are
mixing.
talking about.
Yeah, now about the trauma, about what's going on in the war in Israel and everything. That's what we want to release now. We really want to release it already, but,
Yeah.
for us, it's like if it's not perfect for us and we don't like it, we don't.
We
want to-
can't
We cannot
release
release it. Yeah, we want to.
Of course.
It will come from our deep heart and the emotional. We see now Chanel here playing with a kid.
Our
That's
kid.
what our kid. Yeah. And we wanted to tell you that we made a video about the army that we spoke about, like some of the people wrote to us that he really wants to know what did we do in the army,
Yeah.
and we served in Israeli army for I was for 2 years, but was for 5, 4, 4.5. So he really wanted to share it with you, but we feel like it's a sensitive time right now in Israel and with all the war.
So we will do it later.
Yeah, like
when
we have the
things
video
will
and we have
come.
everything and we edit it, but I think we will upload it like in the future because we don't want to make
A scene or something. We want really to talk about love and peace
and
and
this is our life also in
Yeah.
Israel. Like okay, we're in the army, but our life there is really like about love and about support and
about oneness together,
care and all
families,
this. It's really like that. So it's something.
deep caring.
Yeah, and we really, that's what we want also to transfer.
To show
This
you.
is our message for you. Also the songs, like it's about deep conversation and about deep feelings and everything, but it's more to be optimistic. I think. It's like to look of the good side and not.
That's what I think also. Like
So-
to see what is your lesson from the things that are going on and what you need to learn from that and how can you grow from that.
Yeah,
and,
exactly.
and like horrible things that happening to you in life. That's what I feel that I need to learn. Like it's accurate. Everything that I
Everything that happened
going
just-
through.
It's for a reason, but it's
Yeah.
not just a sentence. I don't know. It's like
It's not
when you
cliche.
understand it and you change your
And you really believe in that,
mindset and
you can learn. You can learn.
also the people who attract, like me and Bao, we really feel the first time in Jamaica we had a lot of difficult situation. Like we met people, it weren't really
It was all around.
exactly what we would want
To attract.
to attract, yeah. And we feel like this time in Jamaica we are really different. I don't know, we grew
Yeah.
up, we want what we
know what we want.
and everything, and that's what we feel here on this time. So it's really it's nice, you know. It's really nice. We feel that every day we are growing.
Yeah,
Mentally
in a good way, mentally and physically.
Yeah, you know, we are getting
Yeah, we gain because we
So-
don't have here gym because the gym is really
expensive in
expensive.
Jamaica. In
And,
Israel,
you
it's
know,
much cheaper. cheaper.
And it's weird because Israel is really, really
Expensive
expensive country. But never mind, put it on the side.
Yeah.
Note. It's like note.
So I really hope you would like the song that we will release and you will follow us for the also album that we're going to make. With this producer, we are starting to work on the first song.
We want to release it and then to start work on the album.
Yeah. So
Thank you for your support and subscribe us and
love you.